Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Telegram and locating the SMS OTP bot using its exact username. Once found, tap Start and read the short command list it sends. This initializes your session. Make sure you have a secondary or disposable phone number ready if required, because many bots use rented numbers. Also check bot permissions, allow only what's necessary. Once done, you're ready to request your first OTP using the bot's supplied command, which I'll walk you through next. Now you choose the target service with the bot service command and pick a phone number from the list it returns. You're doing this because the bot forwards SMS to that temporary number. Once chosen, issue the request command and the bot will reserve that number for your session. Then submit the sign-in on the target site to trigger an OTP. Keep the Telegram chat open and watch for the incoming SMS message. The bot will post the numeric code directly into the chat. When the bot posts the SMS code, copy it and paste into the site's verification box right away. Many OTPs expire in a minute or two. After successful verification, use the bot command to release or close the number so it returns to the pool, and remove any sensitive messages from chat if privacy matters. If a code never arrives, make sure you triggered the OTP on the target site, then retry with a different number or service. Additionally, confirm the bot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.